So hello everyone, this is Icho from Tech Revolutionist, and today we are at a Cooler Master booth and we are looking at the MK850. So what is special about this keyboard? Firstly, from the outlook, there's actually the aluminum brushed cover and a brand new arm pad. It comes with a new aim pad technology which can sense how low you press, and this is really useful for gaming when racing, as you can control how much the wheel turns left or right. At the top left, there's actually a volume rocker as well as the RGB intensity rocker. The RGB intensity rocker is actually very handy because when you're using it during the day, you want to see the RGB in full glory, but at night you want it not to blind you when you're doing your work. So that is the highlight of the MK850. Thank you.